Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's computer lecture of class 10th and we are discussing our chapter number 1, that is problem solving. In our previous lecture, we discussed about implementing a program, maintaining and updating a program. After testing a program thoroughly, it is installed on the computer and the program is used to solve the problem. This step is called implementation of the program. And maintaining and updating a program. Regular maintenance is essential for the betterment of the system or software, and proper maintenance depends upon the existence of complete documentation of the system. And what is the meaning of documentation? A detailed description of programs, algorithm, design, coding method, testing and proper use is called program documentation. And all requirements should be here in documentation in a program. And our today's question is question number 11. Define algorithm. Explain the strategy of developing an algorithm. We will discuss about the algorithm and how to develop an algorithm, how to draw an algorithm. Firstly, we will discuss algorithm. Algorithm, the step-by-step procedure for the solution to the problem is called algorithm. For solving problem, we make algorithm to solve the problem easily, and it consists of a sequence of numbered steps. All steps must be in sequence just according to the problem, and according to the to solve the problem, the algorithm shows the steps and in order in which these steps are to be taken for the solution to the problem. Strategy for developing algorithm is the process of developing an algorithm consists of the following steps. These steps must be for making an algorithm. Step number 1 is investigation. Investigation must be that for identify the processes or activities to solve a problem, which process or activity you want to use in that algorithm, that must be, and identify the major decisions to be taken for solving the problem, which decisions you want to take for solve the problem, and identify the repetitions to be performed at any stage. If any repetition is here, then you can check, you can investigate it before making an algorithm, and identify the variables to be used in the algorithm and variables which you want to use that can be investigate in strategy for developing algorithm. And our second step is initial algorithm. In initial algorithm, in this step a general algorithm is written and it is then analyzed. After writing the algorithm, then it is analyzed, the algorithm is modified if there is any error in it, then you can check in initial algorithm. And our third step is refining the algorithm. Refining the algorithm means all requirements are correct or not, and the following tasks can be performed in this step in refining the algorithm, including any refinement identified in step 2, and group together variables where appropriate, then test the algorithm step by step again. In refining the algorithm, you check the algorithm step by step again, then you will make an algorithm. And that is the example of algorithm to make tea. If you want to make tea, then how you will solve your problem? After initial analysis for making tea, a general algorithm is written as follows. For making tea, your first step is put the tea leaves in pot. Firstly you will put tea leaves in pot, and your second step is boil the water, and your third step is wait for 5 minutes. When the water is boiled, then pour tea into cup. Your fourth step is pour tea into cup. We discussed the strategy for developing algorithm, and now refining the algorithm. In refining the algorithm, in our previous algorithm, the above algorithm does not provide detail of different steps to prepare tea. Each tea can be divided into a sequence of simpler steps by refining. By refining, we can prepare it step by step. First refinement. In first refinement, step 1, 2 and 4 can be divided into simpler steps. Refining the algorithm, our first step is put the tea leaves in pot. This step can be refined as how you can expand it. Then first is open the tea box, extract 1 spoon of tea leaves and put the spoon of tea into pot, then close the tea box. And your second step is boil the water. This step can be defined as follows: fill kettle with water. You will fill kettle with water and switch on the kettle and wait until the water is boiled. When water is boiled, then switch off the kettle. Okay students. And step 4. In step 4, pour tea from pot into cup until cup is full. You can follow the first refinement and second refinement also. You can follow. You can read second refinement also. Students, today we have discussed that what is an algorithm and the strategy for developing algorithm and refining the algorithm. It's mean before making an algorithm, how to investigate it and which initial steps are here, and how to refine the algorithm. And in our next lecture, we will read about the algorithm and how to calculate these algorithms. We will discuss these algorithms in our next lecture. I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.